Hi there, this is Avraham with ReConvert. The product description block is a flexible feature available in all widgets across all pages. In this guide, I'll walk you through how I'm using it specifically within the product upsell widget on the thank you page, but the same settings apply no matter where you use it. So to access the product description block, navigate to the product description block within the ReConvert editor. If for whatever reason you do not wish to display the product description, you can simply click this I button to the right, and that will turn off the product description. And you can see that reflected in the preview panel in the middle of the page. If your product though doesn't have a description stored in your Shopify inventory, or if you want to display a different description, you can do that too. Just click Display Alternative Product Description, then enter your custom text, like so. In this text, you can add a hyperlink, you can change the font size from small, medium, large, or extra large, and you can embolden the text as well. Let's put some text in there now for the purpose of the demo. You can see here that I have added a custom product description, and I've boldened it, I've made it extra large, I've centered it. Now, if we look in the preview panel, we can see that it's not actually being displayed. I'd have to click here to see that description. However, the reason for that is because I have ticked collapsible description. If I'd like that description to display by default, I can simply turn off the collapsible description. And then for every time this product upsell or whichever widget you're using displays, it will automatically display the alternative product description that you have created as well. Assuming though that you do wish to use a collapsible description, you'll have the choice of whether the default state of that collapsible description, or that description is collapsed as it is now, or you can choose an expanded collapsible description by default, but allow your customers the chance to hide that description like so, if they so wish. You can also change the button text of the word description to be something more suitable in your language, or just some custom text that you'd like there. For instance, see more details, and you can see that's now reflected in the preview panel here. Once you're happy with your setup, simply click Save in the top right corner to apply your updates, like so. And that's it. If you do need any further help, then simply click the bottom right icon here and come and chat with our 24/7 customer care team, or look inside the ReConvert Academy. We look forward to hearing from you. And if you do need help with any of these other widgets or blocks, then simply click on the block. Let's say you want to know about product details, and then simply click Help Video or Learn More about product details, and you'll find all the resources you need there. Thanks for watching, and happy reconverting.